Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on message requests to your friends on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn on this mark or know how this mark or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on save, then you come to next window here or your profile, then you just go at the up here, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you this window, then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, then you just click here on social permissions, then you come to next window here, then you just click here on message settings, then you come to this window here and you just click here show friends, and it's going to take you to next window or last window here, then you just click here on message requests here, and like you say now it's turned on here like you say. So that's all now. I wish now you I get it, just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. We'll see you in next video.